What's going on, you guys? Mzbrothers back at you with another video. Today, as promised in previous videos, we are going to head and go and do the test ride as well as get the top speed run as promised. As far as this video, we did end up picking up a charger which made this possible, which we did find on Craigslist for 10 bucks. I am going to go ahead online and find this. And then after finding it, I'll put the link in the description so that you guys can see where to buy it and everything.
Alright guys, so a little shot for you about the charger. With the charger here, it plugs right into a 110 outlet. And then there's the connector which actually goes into the scooter, and we'll show you right where they go. Alright, so here's where it goes into the charger. There is a slot in the charger that actually matches up with a little notch that's in there. What that does for it is basically protects the batteries from reverse polarity. So that just goes right in there like that. It finds its groove, and then you just go ahead and twist it to lock it. Alright, now let's go for the test ride. Alright guys, so here we are in the driveway. We're going to go down the driveway, and then we're going to head down the street, come back, as well as getting a top speed run. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go with our top speed run.
So we just got doing testing the speed run. What we did for that is we just downloaded a GPS app on our phone, and then we went ahead and we screen recorded that. What it came up to is 15 miles an hour, so you'll see that in the clip. But right now what we're going to do is we're just going to mess around on the street. We're going to do a little race, and then we're going to see which one of these two is actually faster, and we'll show you that now.
Guys, we're going to turn around and then we're going to do a drag race now. From the speed sign. 3, 2, 1. I'm losing already. I'm coming for you. Here we go, guys. Lining up again at the speed sign. One push. One push only, all the way down to Zach's driveway. And 3, 2, 1, go. I'm already gaining on you. Goodbye, Zach. Alright guys, we're back at the start line. We're going to do the best 2 out of 3.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
1, go. Hey, cheating. I get 2 kicks.
Alright everybody, so as you saw there, ended up being 4 races because the first race I beat Matt by a couple inches. It was all inch to inch every race. Second race, Matt took me out by a couple inches. And then the third race, we actually tied straight on. So we went ahead and did a tiebreaker. And at the tiebreaker, it looks like my battery's starting to die, so Matt pulled me on the tiebreaker there. But it was pretty cool to get these back up to running fully, get them both on the road, and see what they could do.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.